Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can access the Kidsoft video menu. To do this, you're going to click on the videos menu up on the top of your screen. You will notice that we have added in all of the videos under their applicable headings in alphabetical order. Some of these videos are linked to a playlist. For example, under the SP features, when clicking on Communications, you will notice at the top right-hand corner of the screen, you will see a 1 out of 6. This means there are actually 6 video tutorials in this playlist. So when clicking on that playlist, you will notice a series of video tutorials linked to communications. So for example, how to send iParent Portal communications. If you are wanting just to look at how to send email communications, you can scroll down and simply click on that video tutorial and that video will play. Some of these videos are just set for their own link. For example, under CCS, when clicking on the CCS device activation code, it is simply just displaying that one video. Under the bonds heading, when clicking on the bonds video menu, you will notice this one also has a playlist. So it's always good to check to see if there are other videos linked under that heading. These videos can come in handy and assist you with completing a step within the Kidsoft database. If you would like any further information on our Kidsoft video menu, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.